TechEmpire presents the top 5 best film camera in this year. These are handpicked based on the prices, customer reviews, and our personal opinion. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Polaroid Originals Now iType Instant Camera and Film Bundle Everything Box Black, 6026. Polaroid's new point-and-shoot analog instant camera has all you need to catch every life moment in an original Polaroid photograph. Now with autofocus, it's simple to capture moments as you see them, so you can relive them forever in sharp, vivid color. Frame 2 moments in one with double exposure, or get yourself in the picture with self-timer and an accurate flash to make everyone look like they should. Available in 7 colors. Development time, 10 to 15 minutes. Not compatible with vintage Polaroid cameras. Features: Now Plus Film Bundle Box. Polaroid's new point-and-shoot analog instant camera has all you need to catch every life moment in an original Polaroid photograph. NEW and improved. Now with autofocus, it's simple to capture moments as you see them, so you can relive them forever in sharp, vivid color. Double exposure. Frame 2 moments in one with double exposure, or get yourself in the picture with self-timer and an accurate flash to make everyone look like they should. Colorful fun. Now is available in the 7 colors of the iconic Polaroid spectrum. Point. Shoot. Keep forever. Now is compatible with both iType and 600 film. Viewfinder type, optical. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Instant Camera, Flamingo Pink. The new Instax Mini 9 camera retains the ease of use and attractive design elements of the extremely popular Instax Mini 8 while adding 5 new exciting colors and a couple of new features. The new colors are Flamingo Pink, Ice Blue, Lime Green, Cobalt Blue and Smoky White. The new Instax Mini 9 features a selfie mirror for the perfect selfie photo every time. Close-up macro photos are now easier thanks to the included close-up lens adapter, which allows you to focus on subjects as close as 35 to 50 centimeters. The Instax Mini 9 retains all of the other great features found in the Mini 8, including automatic exposure measurement. The camera signals the recommended aperture setting with a flashing LED light, and the user can manually adjust the dial to the recommended setting. This helps the user capture the perfect photo every time. The high key mode enables consumers to take brighter pictures with a soft look, perfect for portraits. Features: new selfie mirror, auto power off time, 5 minutes, constant firing flash, automatic light adjustment, recycle time, 0.2 seconds to 6 seconds, when using new batteries, effective flash range 0.6 meters to 2.7 meters. New macro lens adapter for close UPS 35 centimeters to 50 centimeters, shutter speed, 1/60th seconds. Automatic exposure measurement. The camera signals the recommended aperture setting with a flashing LED. This helps capture the perfect photo every time. High key mode takes brighter pictures with a soft look, perfect for portraits. 2 AA batteries, manual switching system, LED indicator in exposure meter. Number 3. Hulga 120N Medium Format Film Camera, Black, with Ilford HP5 120 Film Bundle and Microfiber Cloth. One of the most iconic cameras available, the Hulga 120N is characterized by the unique image quality it is able to produce, along with its modest design and minimal controls. Featured here with a black finish, the Hulga is best known for its standard length 60mm f/8 plastic lens that produces a soft, dreamlike aesthetic, which is further accentuated by the inherent vignetting and light leaks caused by the plastic body and simple construction. A choice between f/8 or f/11 or cloudy and sunny aperture settings is available, along with 1/100 seconds or bulb shutter speed settings and a zone focus system for focusing as close as 3 foot away. A tripod mount is incorporated into the base of the camera for stable long exposure shooting, and a top hot shoe accepts optional electronic flashes. A camera designed to bring the fun back to photography, the Hulga is a classic camera capable of making some remarkable yet inherently lo-fi photographs. The 120N model accepts 124 matte roll film and includes both 6x 4.5 cm and 6x 6 cm inserts to record 16 or 12 exposures per roll, respectively. Film is manually advanced between shots using the top winding knob, with the frame progression checked using the rear red window. Plastic body construction and plastic lens contribute to the distinct image quality, which is characterized by light leaks, vignetting, and soft focus. Classic medium format camera accepts 120 roll film, and the included 6x 4.5 cm and 6x 6 cm film masks allow you to record either 16 or 12 frames per roll respectively. 60mm f/8 lens provides a normal field of view for working in a wide variety of situations. Zone focusing system allows you to focus as closely as 3 foot away. A 1/100th section shutter speed setting is available in addition to a bulb setting for long exposure shooting. Standard January 4th-20 tripod mount allows you to make stable long exposure photographs. Top hot shoe accessory mount allows you to attach. Number 4. iHome Square 2-in-1 Instant Print Camera. 2-in-1 Instant Print Camera and Smartphone Photo Printer. Features: take photos and print them instantly, or connect your smartphone over Bluetooth. Print photos in under a minute using its 4-pass dye sublimation printing technology for real ink stunning color prints. Connects to iOS and Android devices via Bluetooth and the free iHome Print downloadable app. A built-in rechargeable battery lets you take your camera with you. Print high-quality, long-lasting, 3 foot by 3 foot waterproof lifetime prints. Uses 10-sheet replacement cartridges, one 10-sheet cartridge included. Viewfinder type, LCD. Number 5. Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera Lilac Purple. Meet the Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera, the successor to the Instax Mini 9 Instant Camera. With its new automatic exposure function, there is no need to adjust a dial anymore to take photos based on your lighting. Just snap and shoot. Take the perfect selfie with the Mini 11 selfie mode that allows you to get up close and personal with its built-in macro mode and selfie mirror. The camera also includes 2 fun shutter button accessories that can be attached to the shutter button to customize the camera's look. The Mini 11 will be available in 5 colors: sky blue, lilac purple, ice white, charcoal gray and blush pink. Expressing yourself has never been easier with the Mini 11. Features: slim body size with transparent ring lens. Automatic exposure. The Mini 11 automatically selects the optimal shutter speed in any environment. Mini 11 captures bright backgrounds and bright subjects, even in dark scenes. One-touch selfie mode. The Mini 11 has a built-in macro mode and a selfie mirror for the perfect selfie. You don't need a close-up lens attachment. Just pull out the lens barrel until the selfie mode mark appears. Customize your camera. 2 shutter button accessories are included: jewel button and a glow button. 2 AA batteries.